This Smart TV's walkthrough shows the safe Roku TV restart path first, then the remote shortcut and frozen screen fallback. Press Home to reset the Roku interface. Move down the left menu to Settings, then press OK. This keeps your channels and account data intact. Inside Settings, highlight System. This is where Roku keeps power, update, and restart controls. Move to System Restart and press OK. A restart closes Roku OS cleanly, so it is safer than pulling power when menus still respond. On the confirmation screen, select Restart and press OK. Give the TV 30 to 60 seconds to shut down and come back to the home screen. If scrolling is laggy, use the remote shortcut. Press Home 5 times, up once, rewind twice, then fast forward twice. Enter it slowly enough that each press registers. If the Roku TV is frozen and will not accept remote input, unplug the power cord for 30 seconds. Plug it back in and wait for Roku Home. When the physical remote is lost or broken, open the Roku mobile app on the same Wi-Fi network, tap Remote, then follow the same Settings, System Restart path. Scan the QR or open the Smart TV's article for the Roku App method, power cycle timing, factory reset warning, and post-restart checks.